Also, after third merit, there is a one table is given, property, atomic mass, density, melting point. You can see formula of chloride, formula of oxide, nature of oxide, Ica aluminum, Mendeleev's prediction. That is, Mendeleev predicted its properties. The name was given Ica aluminum because he don't know the name of that element. Then you can see here atomic mass 68, 5.9. Then later on, some scientists discovered the name of Ica aluminum as a gallium. You can see here, and they predicted the property. That is, this column matches with this column. You can see here 68 atomic mass. The find out value is 69.7, nearly 68. That is, these property matched with each other very well. So different scientists accepted the Mendeleev's classification of periodic table. Next point is that use your brain power. You can see on page number 19 there is use your brain power. What is the question asked? Chlorine has two isotopes, Cl35, Cl37. Atomic masses are 35 and 37 respectively. Chemical properties are same. What should this be placed in Mendeleev periodic table? That is, the chlorine atom, first chlorine atom has atomic mass 35, second chlorine atom has atomic mass 37. Then these two elements where are placed in Mendeleev's periodic table? Then in different places or in the same place, where they find the place in the Mendeleev's periodic table. First, we will explain what is meant by isotope. Isotope means the elements having same atomic number but different atomic mass number, called as isotope. We have seen Mendeleev has arranged the elements according to their atomic mass number. That is, he has arranged the element according to their atomic mass number, not atomic number. So chlorine 35 and chlorine 37, they find the same place in the periodic table. They do not find separate places in the Mendeleev periodic table. That is, they have placed in the same place in the Mendeleev's periodic table. First, we have seen merits of periodic table, and now we are going to learn demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Demerit means how this periodic table is not useful. It is called as demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. You can see first demerit, the whole number of atomic masses of cobalt and nickel is the same. Therefore, there was an ambiguity regarding their sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. That is, the whole atomic mass number of cobalt and nickel are same. So there was a confusion where to place in Mendeleev's periodic table. What are their sequence? Because cobalt and nickel, both elements have same atomic mass number. Next, second is isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. As isotopes have same chemical properties but different atomic masses, a challenge was posed in placing them in Mendeleev's periodic table. That is, isotopes have same atomic number but different mass number. So there is a question how to place isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table, because Mendeleev's periodic table is based on the atomic mass number only. So there were confusion where to place isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table. Next demerit is that when elements are arranged in an increasing order of atomic masses, the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. That is, increasing order of atomic masses are not uniform. So it was very difficult to predict how many elements are present between two heavy elements. So there is a confusion. How many elements are present between two heavy elements? So how many places we should leave in between two heavy elements? That is the third demerit. Then fourth demerit is regarding to position of hydrogen. Hydrogen shows similarity with a halogen, group 7 in Mendeleev's periodic table. But remember that halogens are chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine. These are 4 halogens. These are present in group 17 of new periodic table, modern periodic table. But in Mendeleev's periodic table, they are present in group 7. Then the molecular formula of hydrogen is H2. Molecular formula of fluorine, chlorine, ReF2 and Cl2. That is, molecular formula are same for hydrogen and for halogens. Halogens, there are 4 halogens: chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. Similarly, there is a similarity between the chemical properties of hydrogen and alkali metals. Group first, that is, alkali metals are present in the group first of Mendeleev's periodic table. Then which are the alkali metals? That is sodium, potassium. These are alkali metals. So hydrogen have same chemical property as that of alkali metals, that is sodium, potassium. Then the above properties, it cannot be decided. That is, hydrogen have similarity with the halogen, group 7. Hydrogen has similarity with the alkali metal, group first. So where to place, or what is the correct position of hydrogen in the group of alkali metals, group first, or in the group of halogen, group 7? That is the question. Where to place the hydrogen, in group first or in a group 7? So you can see in the table compounds of hydrogen and compounds of sodium, that is similarity in hydrogen and alkali metals. Also you can see second table, similarity in hydrogen and halogen, that is they form same compound. Hydrogen also combined with the sodium, and chlorine, which is a halogen, also combined with the sodium. And above table you can see how hydrogen combined with the chlorine. Similarly, alkali metal sodium combined with the chlorine, that is there is a similarity between combination of compounds between hydrogen and alkali metals, and similarity in hydrogen and halogen also. So these are 4 demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. That is how to place cobalt and nickel, because they have same atomic mass number. Second, question of isotope, that is how to place the isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table. And third question is that the increasing atomic mass is not uniform, so it is difficult to predict how many elements were present between 2 heavy elements. And fourth question is position of hydrogen, where to place, where it is placed in alkali metal group first, or whether it is to be placed in group of halogen, group 7. So these are demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table.